Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python set collection with copy method, difference update method. So first of all, what is set collection in Python programming? So set is unordered collection of elements. Set does not accept duplicate elements. Set is mutable. After its creation, we can add, update, delete, modify, etc. Set does not provide indexes to its collection of elements, and set values are given in curly brackets and separated with commas. For example, set 1 curly brackets 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Similarly, set 2 1001 psi 6.2 true none. So set is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. Now coming to the copy method, so it is used to make a duplicate copy of our set. It's very simple. Set1 dot copy method, you'll get a duplicate copy, so store that in a variable duplicate set. Next, coming to the difference update method, it modifies the first set by removing matching or common elements from other sets in given input parameters. Okay, so it is going to match common elements which are available in other sets, and it is going to modify the first set by removing those matching or common elements. For example, set1 dot difference update of set2, set1 dot difference update of set2. So here only set1 is modified, remaining sets are not modified. So it will match the common elements in set 2, set 3, and those matching elements will be deleted from set 1. So hence set is mutable, it is modified. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program, Python set example 9. So take a new page, first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking set1 curly brackets 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So print set1. After that, set1 dot copy will get a duplicate set, store that in set2, print set2. So set1 and set2 both will have same elements. Right, so save this program, come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. Python set example 9. So set1 33, 22, 55, 11, 44, same as set2 because it is copy of set1. Order is not preserved in set. Next, coming to difference update method in a set. So I'm taking a empty print statement, it will take a new line. So I'm taking set1 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, set2 44, 55. So these two are common for set1, set2, and remaining 66, 77, 88. So print set1, set2. After that, set1 dot difference update of set2. So in set1 and set2, the common elements are 44 and 55. So this 44 and 55 is deleted from set1. So set1 is modified 11, 22, 33, whereas set2 will have the same elements. So after difference update, print set1, you will get a modified set. Set2, you will get a unmodified set. So save it and then run it. So set1, set2 initially with 5 elements. So set 1 is modified, 44, 55 is deleted because they are common for set 1 and set 2. So we have only 33, 22, 11. Set 2, it is not modified. Next, let us take multiple sets with the difference update. Okay, so take a empty line using print. So set 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Set 2, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88. Set 3, 55, 99, 111, 121, 131. Now set 1, okay, and set 2. We have 44 common, okay, and then set 1, set 2, set 3. We have 55 common. So initially let us print set 1, set 2, set 3 with 5 elements. After that, set 1 dot difference update of set 2 comma set 3, and then print set 1, which is modified, set 2, set 3. It is not modified. So save this, come to the prompt and run it. So set 1, 5 elements, set 2, 5 elements, set 3, 5 elements initially. Now if you see here, set 1 is modified, 44 and 55 are deleted because 44 and 55 are common for set 2, okay, 44, 55, and set 3, 55. Okay, so set 2 and set 3 is not modified, only set 1 is modified. So this is how we are supposed to work with set collection with copy method and difference update method, difference underscore update method. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.